ายไหมยั่วงามแก่ง่ายแก่ปุยปุ่มเนาะ
So you want to be a software engineer at Google? Go to algoexpert.io. Pick a question, read the
reality well enough to simulate it. Think of it like the inverse of perception. Instead of understanding what it sees, it generates what could be seen if it had eyeballs like us. And that's a big deal because it gives autonomous systems and robots an unlimited number of simulated environments for training. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at Genie, along with two other big AI announcements that you may have missed if you blinked yesterday. It is August 6, 2025, and you're watching the Code Report. But before we talk about Google's Genie, OpenAI did something I thought I would never see. They released an OpenAI model with an Apache 2.0 license, meaning you can use it freely to build a billion-dollar business. GPT-OSS is a model that's so good it approaches the performance of other state-of-the-art reasoning models like O3, while being small enough to run on your laptop or even your phone. I tried it out on Ollama, and while it's great to have another open model, it still feels overly censored and a little bit behind Qwen 3 in general intelligence. And with smaller models, you get higher hallucination rates,
Well, Google just dropped a pretty massive bombshell on the landscape of AI video and games. They did it all in like one swoop. And what they show us here today is the real endgame of VO3. Today, we're getting our first look at Genie 3, a general purpose world model that can generate unprecedented diversity and interactive environments. And as we dig into it today, it might just have you saying, this changes everything. So if you've been watching the channel for a while, you know that I've been keeping a close eye on Google DeepMind's Genie project. This is sort of a prompt to game model. It was first introduced in February of 2024. Definitely the germ of an idea, considering that the games were only playable for about 1 second. So, no marathon sessions with Genie 1. Shortly after that, we got a look at the AI Doom project, which, to note, was not Google, but it did showcase some forward movement in terms of interactive video. That said, there were still problems, namely that of object permanence. Then in December of 2024, we got our first look at Genie 2. The big breakthrough with Genie 2 was its ability to take a static image and interpret it and extrapolate out a 3D environment. So essentially you could go
Kilo Code is a powerful, open-source AI coding assistant that supercharges your development.
Xin chào tất cả các em. Các em đang theo dõi chương trình dạy tiếng Việt lớp 1. Cô là Trần Thu Trang. Trong giờ học hôm nay, cô và các em sẽ cùng tìm hiểu về bảng chữ cái tiếng Việt và các dấu thanh nhé. Trước tiên, cô muốn các em hãy cùng đứng lên và chuẩn bị vỗ tay theo nhịp nhé.